Cobus again. Welcome to Artemis Under the Hood. I want to continue just along the lines of evals. So, as I mentioned previously, you can set evals around different scenarios, different usage scenarios. You can also set it according to different users. So, I can add a persona and then I can set, a chatty person, more terse dispute, or a retail customer. And I can also set evaluators, right? So if I go to setting evaluators, I can have a library, as you can see, of existing evaluators. So I can select these. I can see in how many evaluation runs these evaluators are used, but I can also go to create new evaluators. So I can define the task completion, define the name here, for instance, task completion judge. I can give a description of this evaluator, and then I can set the category, right? So what am I trying to evaluate within my application? Is it quality? Is it safety, efficiency? Is it empathy? I can have a custom category. Is it tool correctness? So, research has shown recently that one of the big failures of AI agents is where they select the wrong or incorrect tool. So I can also define that. And I think the whole idea behind evaluators is that you can run really customized, fine grained evaluations on your agentic applications, and you can surface the best tested, well functioning agentic applications to your users, right? So you didn't have to wait for users to report any error or any problem. You didn't need to find vulnerabilities in transcripts, but you can actually go and evaluate your environment. And then from there, improve the application even before deployment. Or if you have a new version, you can evaluate that version before deploying that application to production, and exactly know how your application will perform. You can also set the model you want to use as a judge, right? So that you might have a fine-tuned models. I think one of the strong points of Artemis is that you can really exercise model orchestration. So you can have multiple models. You can also have different API settings to the same model, right? So you might want to have an API setting where you've got lower or high temperature, where you've got token usage constraints. So you can have different API settings and different endpoints even to the same model. So in this case, you can see the number of models that's available to me as a judge. And then I can also put in custom prompts here I want to send through. And then I can say, should the model use chain of thought reasoning or not? And I can set my scale, what I define as a success or a failure. So this gives you an idea of how you can create an evaluator, and you can even have business people create a library of evaluation or evaluators you can then surface here in Artemis and then interact with that. And just to end with this, I think it's really powerful the way you can have different parts of the business create scenarios, create personas, create evaluators with weights and passing scores, surface that here, and you do not only have this library of prompts, but you've got a complete library of different evaluation components you can put together to create this evals environment. Thank you.